Hi there, this is Ron Rogers with ProPrinting Systems. I want to say thank you for downloading our Photoshop template with the customizable initials in a heart on the beach scene. As you see right here, the initials are completely customizable. All you have to do is change the letters. I'm going to show you how to do that though. But before we jump into that, you do need to download the custom font. That's in the email. And it's actually a link in the email, but it will take you to this page, dafont.com/fingermade.font. When you download this font, it's going to download to your downloads folder, and then it will open into this. You don't have to extract, you can just open the zip folder. When you double click on the font, it's going to show you an example of the font, and then you can click install to actually get the font to install onto your PC. Once you're finished, you will have the ability to come back into Photoshop, open up the template, make sure that Fingermade font, it should automatically load for you. If it doesn't though, it'll give you the error message. And then what we're going to do is edit the layers. As you can see, if you click on the visibility, it will turn those layers off. If you're familiar with Photoshop, you already knew that. But what you're going to do is drop down into the actual layers, and to change the fonts, I have noticed the easiest way to do this is to turn off the visibility on the other three layers. The reason they're layered is because it added the depth, and we were able to tweak the settings a little bit to make the sand look like a realistic finger carving. So we're going to change the letters here from R to, let's go M, and I will tell you lowercase looks better than the uppercase letters, so take that information for what it's worth. Turn the visibility off here. We're going to go with our M. 2 more rows to do this with, and the final one. So now when we turn everything back on, I can already see that this layer is, this letter rather, is a little too big for what I've got going here, so I want to reduce the size just a bit. I can see it's 159.87. We're just going to change all of them to 150 just by double clicking and making the changes. And then if you do want to move it, just make sure you collapse the group. Control-T is your free transform if you didn't know that. And then you can just move your letters wherever you want them to go. If there's an easier way that I have missed, please reach out and let me know what that way is, and I would be elated to learn and find out more. But that is how you customize the letters. And I trust that you will use these well, and that they will serve you well, and they will shock and awe and wow your clients for many, many weeks, months, and decades to come. That's not an exaggeration. I sincerely hope that you use these for that long of a period of time. I do have other ones. This was just the beach theme. There's a woods theme and some other stuff as well. So check those out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for downloading our resources, and have a great day.